going to show you some important tips and techniques in Microsoft Excel. Maybe some tips and techniques you know, but uh, maybe some you don't know. And these tips and techniques will make your work easier and fast. Okay, so the first tip is, now we have Batal Al Harbi. Okay, now if we want to make them together, so what will we do? We will write in the first box Batal Al Harbi, okay, and then press enter, then come again in the same and hold the control button plus press E. So you can see now we have already have the names in other cells. Yani we just change one name and the other cells we have the names. Okay, so it was the first technique, and now we will come on the next technique. Okay, so guys, in the interview and your work, sometimes you need the sample data, or if the interviewer is asking about something doing fast, you have to make the dummy data. So how you do it? Suppose for example we have this data and we have to we don't have time to write one by one numbers here. Okay, so we have to make the dummy data for this. So what will we do? First we will select this all cells, okay, and here we will write the formula rand between. Okay, you can see now here rand between. Now you will write from where to where, between which number to which number you have to add the marks. So suppose I say from 30 to 99, okay, and press enter. Now you did this. After that you hold the control button and press D. So this marks automatically in for English. Now you will hold the control and press R. So you can see now this is the dummy data we have added. Now you can copy, control C. Okay, now you will come here in the total, hold the alt button and press is equal to. So you can see now you have the total for this, or you can copy, or whatever you want, you can do this data. Okay, yani the same formula you paste it in the other cells and this total will come. So the dummy data has been ready. So this was the second tip. So the first step, what I am going to tell you, this horizontal to vertical, or you can say if you have the names in the rows and you have to bring in the columns very fast. So suppose we have this names, name, gender and age, but we have this names, gender and age in this position. We have to bring in the columns. Okay, so what will I do? I will write is equal to transpose, and then I will select all these data. When I will select this data and then I will press enter, so you can see all these names now in the column. But this video will be too long. Inshallah, I will explain you, I will give you the new tips and techniques in my next video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Until the next video, take care. Bye.